Welcome to the channel, guys, and before we begin today's video, I just want to take a moment to appreciate what smartphone company has done for their products. This phone has probably changed the way I perceive what smartphones can actually do and become in the future. Now, this is the latest mid-range but very much challenging for what flagship phones should have been in the first place, the Honor X9C. Now, we can all take a moment to think about this. How on earth are flagship categorized phones not even have these durable materials like the Honor X9C? We've been watching loads of videos about drop tests of iPhones, and even Case Company does them too. Like, people just like watching how phones are being destroyed. This phone, however, is very direct with their approach of how a phone should have been. Now, in my personal humble opinion, I think that, first of all good-looking phones are supposed to be used without any casing. Now, the curves from every angle of the Honor X9C is particularly not only nice to feel, but it's definitely looking very, very good. The combination of glossy and matte finishes makes the whole outlook very presentable, but also nice to use. Now, the AMOLED display is huge at 6.78 inch and paired with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Camera is on point with a big circle design placed in the middle, making it really comfortable to hold as well. Which leads me to its main selling point. How do you protect a phone without using a case? You don't. Now, you guys have probably seen what Honor did with the X9C, demoing how tough this boy is at very, very extreme tests. So I'm going to show you right here. So I'm not going to do all that because it's pretty much very, very convincing and well proven. Yet, I still have the urge to sort of convince myself that this is the real deal. So I'm gonna do a couple of tests with the phone and see how it goes. So this is rated drop proof at 2 meters high and an IP65M rating. What this means is that whether or not you're accidentally or purposely dropping the phone from any heights, or wanting to fully utilize the 108 megapixel matrix OIS camera underwater or splashing water to it from any angles, it's fully protected. You know, being able to do all that without sacrificing the original outlook with the case feels absolutely daunting for the first time. Okay, now what else can you do with the phone? Like, being me, I've been taking photos with it everywhere I go, and this is how they look like both at daylight and nighttime. Now, I would say that it's pretty much doing justice to how any of you, including myself, to have good photos to share on any social media platforms. Sure, the colors aren't as vibrant as other flagships, but hey, remember, this is a mid-range phone. And at a certain point, it still outshines many of the same category phones out there. Okay, let's talk about batteries. The battery on this Honor X9C is a 6,600 milliamp battery. And just because I know I can use the phone for days and not worrying to forget putting it to charge at night, the number alone itself is already putting some flagships out there ashamed for the categories. Plus, there's also a 66-watt charging brick that comes together with the phone. And yes, you can also tap on this while you're charging to get a boost for charging time. Sweet. Okay, I'm quite already sold at this point of time with the X9C's abilities, but just to be fair, they don't have to do this, but they did it. If you're all still feeling skeptical or unsure about all the throwing, the splashing and crazy stunts the phone can withstand, Honor is also including a triple assurance offer to y'all. Now, what this means is that there's a 365 days front and back crack replacement, a 36-month battery assurance, and a 180-day one-to-one replacement policy, which is only valid for those who purchase and activate the X9C before the 16th of December. This already proves how confident Honor is with the X9C. And pricing wise, it remains the same from before, starting at Ringgit Malaysia 1,499 Ringgit and maxed out only at Ringgit Malaysia 1,699. Now that's a steal. Okay, I guess what I'm trying to say here is that how on earth are we still not seeing all these durabilities from flagships when mid-range phones are already doing it? Save us from choosing protective casings when we buy new phones. Let us flex how good looking of a smartphone can be without having to worry about human errors like accidental scenarios, because that's where the warranty voids. And if all the smartphone companies starts implementing these durable materials in smartphones as a basic, that is what I call money well spent. So let me know what you guys think about the Honor X9C, and I'd be more than happy to further discuss with y'all. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Continue dropping. Drop. Drop. Drop.